Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are doing well. So, today we'll be discussing the poem The Ballad of Father Gilligan, written by W.B. Yeats. William Butler Yeats was an Irish poet, dramatist, prose writer, and one of the foremost figures of 20th century literature. He is considered to be a pillar of the Irish literary establishment. He was born in Sandymount in Ireland. In 1923, he was awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature. The Ballad of Father Gilligan is written in the style of ballad with 12 stanzas of 4 lines. Ballad is a simple narrative poem written in a simple language. The theme of the poem is about the presence of God everywhere and his love for all. The poem is about the miracle that has happened in the life of Father Gilligan, an old priest. The poem begins with the introduction of Peter Gilligan, an old priest. He helps his people who are under his charge. Half of his people are in deathbed or buried under the ground due to sickness. He treats the sick people and conducts funeral for the dead. He treats them day and night and thus becomes very tired. One day, due to his tiredness, he is about to sleep on his chair. The presence of insect indicates it as the evening. At that time, someone calls for the priest's help. The priest feels upset about being called. His continuous help to the needy people and his tiredness makes him to get upset. Because of his tiredness, he says that he does not have rest, happiness, or peace as people under his parish die continuously. Immediately, he feels sorry for saying such words. He begs God to forgive him because those words were not spoken by him but his body. Father Gilligan kneels down on the floor to get forgiveness from God. He leans on the chair and prays, and due to his tiredness, he sleeps. Now, the insects have gone, and the stars began to appear. As night starts, the sky is filled with stars. Due to the flow of the wind, leaves are falling from the trees. God covers the world with darkness and speaks slowly to mankind. Chirping of sparrows indicate the early hours of morning time. The insects come once again. At that time, Father Gilligan wakes up from his sleep. He is shocked to know that he slept for a long time. He blames himself by saying that the person who needed his help might have died. He wakes his horse and rides very fast. He rides rashly over narrow roads and wetlands and reaches the sick man's house. By seeing the father, the sick man's wife wonders that he has come again. Father Gilligan asks whether the man died, and the wife replies that he died an hour ago. In sadness, the priest walks to and fro. The woman replies that after the priest leaves, he died in a peaceful manner. Hearing such word, Father Gilligan kneels on the floor. He says that God has made the stars at night to comfort the souls. God might have sent one of his angels to help him. God is a king in purple color robes and takes care of all the planets. It shows that God has many big responsibilities. Even with such responsibility, God had pity on a simple person like Father Gilligan when he slept. Father Gilligan feels grateful to God for being kind and merciful to him. The poem shows the love and care of God for whom all the lives are equal and important. So, this is all about the summary of the poem. Now, we will be discussing some of the key factors like setting, theme, and also the tone of the poem. The setting of the Ballad of Father Gilligan is a countryside. It is not specified where the place is. The setting is seen from the first stanza where green sword is mentioned. A more concrete proof would be in the stanzas 7 and 8 where the priest is said to be saddle a horse and ride on it very fast. Coming to the poetic devices, the poem is made of multiple stanzas of 4 lines each. There is a regular rhyme throughout the poem. Each stanza has a rhyme scheme of ABCB. A prime example for the imagery is the 5th stanza. The whole stanza contains vivid imagery. The central idea of the poem is to show that God is merciful. He sends help for those in need of it, at times when they need it the most. The poem also shows the Irish countryside and its poverty. Discussing about the tone of the ballad of Father Gilligan, the tone of the poem is sad and depressing at first. With all the death of poor people, it turns repentant when Father Gilligan asks for forgiveness for his outburst. Then it turns hurried and suspenseful as he rides quickly to the man's house. Finally, it turns hopeful. It shows that there is a help to those who need it the most. So, the poem is a simple ballad telling a small story with some depth to it. I hope the poem is clear to you. Thank you.